Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another content. In this content I'm going to share with you, and the topic name is Laziest West money online in 2026, like 100 USD per day. So please watch my full video and follow, subscribe my channel, and that's how you'll be able to see my all content even while I'm publishing my every single content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your make money online journey. Don't worry about this issue, just follow or subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to make money from online with very easy methods. So this is time for let's begin. Don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. Number one is, if you want to earn 100 USD per day online with just minimal effort, in this video I'm showing the easiest ways to make money online in 2026 that's really work. This method require very little work, not technical skill, and are perfect for beginner, student, or anyone who wants passive income from home. Learn how to make money online without any kind of working hard. Start today and earn 100 USD per day. And real example and step by step tips. Number one is affiliate marketing. How it work? What is affiliate marketing? Do you know what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you will promote someone's product, the time and when someone click your product and buy this product, that time you will be able to earn commission. This is called affiliate marketing. And how it work? Promotes other product and earn commission. This is very simple equation from online journey. And this method, we use pre-made content, social media pages, or email sequences like Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and share sale. Example one, blog post or YouTube video. You can earn 50 to 200 USD per month with passively. And number two is print on demand. Print on demand is one of the greatest way to earn from online in this 2026. So don't waste your time. Just adhere to this method. That time you will become a millionaire. Like sell t-shirt, mug, hoodies online without inventory. Like platform like Printful, Printify, and Readable. Example, upload once and earn every sale. Number three is dropshipping. Sell product online without handling store. Easy method, automate order fulfillment. Use trending product like Shopify and AliExpress. Focus on high demand product for easier sales. Number four is automated YouTube channel, like you use AI voice plus stock footage or make videos. Monetize via YouTube and affiliate link. Example, finance, tech, or top 10 challenge. Consistency plus trending topics, you will get passive income. Number five is selling digital product like type, ebooks, guides, printables, and templates. Like create once and sell forever. Platform like Gumroad, and it's a takeable. Example, one ebook selling 10 to 10 sales per day. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Oh my god, this 100 USD per day. You just sell your 10 product and your commission range is $10. That time 10 into 10, you will get 100 USD per day. Can you imagine this? Can you guess this? Making online is too easy. Number six is stock photographies and videos. Like take simple photos, videos, upload, require earn royalties. Platform like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Point 5. Example, a simple viral stock video can earn 50 to 100 per month. Just one simple viral photos and video can earn 50 to 100 USD per month. Method 7 is passive income, passive apps and tool, like earn money through apps or website with minimal minimal effort. Example like cashback apps, survey apps, or automated income tools. This was my 7 proven method. If you apply even one method, that time you will get 100 USD per day. Believe me or not, but to be honest, this is very truth, and this is very universal proven method to earn money from online. So thank you everyone for watching this kind of content. I can't follow this content because time is too short. Next time I will connect with you. See you soon with another effective content about this make money online. And as always, like affiliate marketing, print on demand, dropshipping, digital product, and YouTube automation. What is the action? Like start today with just one method and watch your income go. Like, comment, subscribe, and share for more. See you soon. Bye bye.